Welcome, this is Jerry from the Blue Garden, and today we're going to be doing some soil testing. Remember these lilies? This soil was very bad, and with the treatment, look at how these lilies have grown. This one even flower has a flower in here. Alright, look at these leaves. Look at the dark green. Got little water spots there. From the rain, we've been having rain. But again, I wanted to show you the soil here. Oh, nice and dark that is. But today, we're going to be analyzing some soil. And we're going to do 3 samples. And our first sample we're going to get is from the neighborhood here. And it's going to be a house that they are rebuilding. And you'll see the type of soil they have and the condition. Alright. Look at this. See that? It was much worse than this, but we're going to take a sample from here. Actually, that thing is super hard. Actually, it's too hard right there. Let's try over here. How about right here? That might work. There's a lot of rocks, but we'll try it here. Try to get the jar open. Boy, that was hard. Alright, so here we have our jar, and I'm trying to get some dirt, and I'm pretty sure it is dirt. I'm gonna have to screen this because there's a lot of rocks. Boy, you get to see how hard that is. I can't even dig it. Mostly all rock. That's just too hard. See if I can get enough for a sample. This is just the top layer. Man, this thing is just super hard. So like I said, we're going to take 3 samples. This one, and then a sample from the Blue Garden. And then the third sample from one of my friends from Alabama who call me TB. He sent me some his soil over there, and we're working to find out what kind of soil or dirt he has. He says it's heavy clay, and we're gonna fix that. You have to just see how hard this is. Can't penetrate beyond the first layer. It's just extremely hard. Now I'm gonna take a little bit extra here because there's a lot of rocks. I'm gonna have to screen it and see. We just get the dirt. Alright, that should be enough for the sample. Alright. So, see my old antique trowel. Alright. There's our sample. Alright. Now we go get the second sample, which should be a little bit easier to get. And then I'll see you when collecting the third sample. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments.